Magandang araw po sa lahat. Ako po si Jerome at nandito ako upang ipaliwanag kung paano isolve ang integers sa Tagalog na pamamaraan. Naway sa pagtatapos ng aking video ay may matutunan kayo o mas may maintindihan kung paano ito isolve. Unang tatalakayin natin ay ang pag-a-add ng integers. So, addition of integers. Sa addition of integers, may dalawa lang rules para isolve ito. Yung unang rule ay para sa like sign. Ito yung parehong positive or parehong negative na numbers. At ang pangalawang rule for unlike sign. So ito yung pwedeng positive and negative or negative and positive. Yan. Number 1, number 2. So sabi sa rule number 1 na like sign, so add. So ito yung simpleng or yung normal na napag-aralan natin nung elementary pa tayo. Pag like sign, add the numbers, then be the sign. For example, number 1, positive 10 plus positive 9. So ito nga pala guys, pag positive po, hindi na po sinusulat siya dito. Understood na positive po siya. So lahat ng pinag-aralan natin ng elementary, yung sign po niya is puro positive. So for example, number 1, like sign po siya, pareho po siyang positive. So i-add mo lang siya. 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. Positive 10 plus positive 9 is equal to positive 19. No need to write the positive sign. Okay, so pasok siya sa first rule. Second example naman is negative 10 plus negative 9. So like sign pa rin siya, kaya pasok pa rin siya sa rule number 1. Sabi daw add the numbers. 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. Then copy the sign. Copy the sign. Ang sign po nila is negative. Copy the negative. Ang sagot po niya is negative 19. Third example po, positive 1 plus positive 6. So copy, add the numbers. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Positive siya, positive, then positive 2. No need to write. Last example, negative 1 plus negative 6. So add lang kasi both sign are negative. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Then copy the sign of that. So applicable din po dito yung pagpa-plus ng tatlo or more. Basta parehas po yung sign niya, parehas positive, 3 to 4, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. Lahat ay negative. So first rule po yung i-apply natin. Okay, so yung rule number 2 naman natin ay para sa unlike sign. Yan, positive and negative, negative and positive. So sabi dito, subtract the smaller number from the bigger number, then copy the sign of the bigger number. So sabi dito, yung mas maliit na numero daw ay ibabawas mo sa mas malaking numero. Tapos yung sign na gagamitin mo ay base sa mas malaking number. So for example, positive 10 and negative 9. So ito positive and negative, kaya unlike sign siya. Pasok siya dito sa pangalawang rule. So sabi, ima-minus daw. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Ano po ang sign ng mas malaking number? So positive 10. Positive din po yung lalagay po natin dito. So ang sagot mo ay positive 1. Example number 2, negative 10 at saka positive 9. So negative at saka positive, pasok pa rin sa rule number 2, unlike sign. Subtract mo, 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Then copy the sign of bigger number. So, dito ay mas malaki po yung negative 10. So, copy the sign of 10, negative 1. Third example, positive 1 tsaka negative 6. So, dun, ima-minus pa rin po kasi unlike sign siya. So, mas malaki po dito yung 6 tsaka 1. Pwede mo siyang gawin ganito para hindi ka malito. Yan. Nandun pa rin naman yan. Yan, pinaglipat mo lang. Ito po yung 1, ito po yung negative 6. So, 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Then, copy the sign of bigger number. Negative 6 po yung mas malaki. So, negative yung sagot mo dito. Negative 5. Fourth example. Negative 1 tsaka positive 6. Unlike sign, pasok sa rule number 2. Sabi, subtract the smaller from bigger number, then copy the sign of bigger number. So, pwede mo siyang gawing baliktad. 6 tsaka negative 1. So, subtract daw. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Sign of bigger number, 6. So, positive po yung sagot. Okay, recap lang po. Yan. Pag like sign, positive positive and positive, or negative and negative. Pagpaplasin mo lang siya ng buo, then ikokopyahin mo lang po dyan kung ano yung sign. Pag positive, no need to write the plus sign. Pag negative, write the negative sign. For example, positive 19, negative 19, positive 7, and negative. Then for unlike sign, makita nyo, puro unlike sign. So, subtract lang. Yung maliit, isa-subtract mo sa mas malaki. Then, kokopyahin mo yung sign ng mas malaking number. Kailangan mo pong pag-aralan to ng or i-master yung addition kasi yung subtraction of integers ay nakabase sa or ang huling patutunguhan ay yung addition rules. Tuturo ko po ito maya-maya. Hello guys! Yung second operation ng integer ay yung subtraction of integers. So, subtraction of integer, isa lang po yung rule niya. Ito lang po yun. Change the sign of subtrahend and follow the addition rules. Yan po yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina na kailangan ma-master mo yung rules ng addition. Kasi yung subtraction of integers, ang huling patatunguhan niya pa rin ay yung addition rules of integers. So, una, kailangan nating malaman kung ano ba yung subtrahend. So, sa subtraction, meron tayong tinatawag na min-wend. Min-wend tsaka subtrahend. Yan. Min-wend, ito yung pinagkunan or kung saan galing. Halimbawa, ang manok ay nanganak ng 10 itlog. Ayun, ito yung total. Then, ang subtrahend, ito yung number of item or of items na kailangan mong ibawas. So, ito, halimbawa, yung 10 itlog mo, namatay ang 3. Ito yung magiging subtrahend mo. So, ngayon, ilan ang matitira? Ang sagot ay 7. Kasi, yung 10 mo, ito yung pinaka-base mo. Tapos yung 3, ito yung namatay. So, ito yung min-wend. Ito yung subtrahend. Kailangan mong malaman palagi yung pagkakaiba ng subtrahend at min-wend. Kasi, may mga problem na nire-revise nila para malaman kung nakokomprehend mo ba yung talagang problem. Okay, dadako na tayo sa mismong example. So, first example, positive 10 minus positive 9. So, sabi dito sa rule na to, change the sign of subtrahend and follow the addition rules. Mangyayari po dito, kakopyahin mo lang yung min-wend, which is yung 10. Bring down 10. Then yung 9, papalitan mo yung positive, gagawin mo negative, magiging negative 9. So dito sa panibagong form, ang nangyari dyan is positive yung isa negative. Sabi dito, follow the addition rules. Yung addition rules, pag unlike sign, ma-minus mo siya. Pag like sign, add mo siya. So for this scenario, unlike sign siya kasi positive 10 tsaka negative 9. So i-minus mo. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Then copy the sign of bigger number, which is positive 10. No need to write the positive sign. It's already understood. Ang sagot po ay 1. Example number 2, negative 10 tsaka negative 9. Ang minwend ay negative 10. Copy na lang. Ang subtrahend, negative 9. Change the sign of subtrahend. Magiging positive 9 siya. Then, follow the addition rule, which is rule number 2, unlike sign po. So, i-minus mo siya. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Copy the sign of bigger number, negative 1. Third example, positive 1 tsaka positive 6. Copy the minwend, then change the sign of subtrahend. Positive magiging negative. Then follow the addition rules. Positive and negative, unlike sign. So, subtract the bigger number or the smaller number from bigger number. Pwede mo siyang isultang ganito kung nahihirapang mag-analyze. Negative 6, positive 1. Parang pinag-switch mo lang siya. Kaya ganyan. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Copy the sign of bigger number, which is negative 6. Ang sagot po ay negative 5. Next example, negative 1 tsaka negative 6. Yan. Copy the minwend, then subtrahend. Change the sign of subtrahend, magiging positive 6. So, ang sagot ay yan, switch mo lang. 6 tsaka negative 1. Ang sagot ay 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Copy the sign. Positive 5. So, yan po yung example. Set number 1. Example set number 1. Okay? So, mapapansin nyo dito, puro like sign siya. Kaso, pag subtraction, magiging unlike sign na siya. Kasi lagi na-change yung subtrahend. So, pag ganito yung figure, automatic, yung nasa taas siya yung minwend, yung baba yung subtrahend. Pag problem solving, pwedeng nasa unahan yung minwend, nasa huli yung subtrahend, depende sa pagkakagawa ng sentence. So, set number 2, itong unang set is yung set of like sign. So, number 2, set of unlike sign naman siya. Negative 10 and positive 9. So, yan. Negative and positive. Sabi, change the sign of subtrahend and follow the addition rules. Bring down the minwend, which is negative 10. Then, yung positive 10, magiging negative 9. Then, follow the addition rules. Ang rule na gagamitin natin dito is yung rule number 1 for like sign kasi naging like sign na sila. Pag like sign, add, then copy the sign. 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. Then copy the sign, magiging negative 19 siya. Second example, positive 10 and negative 9. Magiging positive 10, change the sign of subtrahend, magiging positive 9. Follow the addition rule. Addition, pag like sign, plus, add mo siya. 10 positive 10 plus positive 9 is equal to positive 19. Third example, positive 1 and negative 6. Okay, bring down the minwend, then change the sign of subtrahend, magiging positive 6. Then pareho silang positive, i-add mo na lang 6 plus 1 plus 6 plus 6 equals 7. Bring down the sign, which is positive. Sagot ay 7. Last example, negative 1 and positive 6 rather. Negative 1 and positive 6. So, magiging negative 1, copy lang yung minuend. Then, magiging negative 6 kasi change the sign of subtrahend. So, parehong negative na siya. So, follow the first rule of addition for like sign. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Then, copy the sign. Sagot po ay negative 7. Yan. Kung nyo, ang addition po ay kabaligtaran ng subtraction. Kung paano mo siya in-add yung like sign sa addition, ang nangyari, pagdating sa subtraction, magiging unlike sign siya. Pero same pa rin yung rules na ipa-follow, yung pa rin yung sa addition. Dito, like sign, naging unlike sign. Dito naman, unlike sign, naging like sign. So, wag po kayo malilito dyan. Basta pagka addition and subtraction, ang huling process na gagawin mo is yung sa addition pa rin. Sa subtraction lang, ang pagkakaiba is i-change mo yung sign ng subtrahend. Always the subtrahend, not the minuend. Thank you po. Sana may natutunan kayo.